Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video and teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. That's right. Who's this character? Batman. Well, most of you know who that character is already, but what's a little different is he doesn't look like that superhero character that you might see in a DC comic. Well, the realistic version. But what you can use is your imagination. And what you can do is customize them to your style and your shape, such as this. Now, what's different is it's a round head and a simple body. And what I wanted to share, I have over 30 different Marvel and DC characters, superheroes and villains that I'm going to be showcasing in the days and weeks ahead. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because you'll be notified immediately with all the new stuff coming on. And I would love to see some of your creative concepts too. So, as always and always, if you have your paper and a pencil, we're ready to begin drawing Batman. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.